In this video, I will show you how to back up your Exodus wallet. First, open the Exodus wallet app and navigate to the tab located at the bottom right. From there, tap on Security. Once you're in the Security section, click on Backups at the top. Here, you'll see two options for backing up your Exodus wallet, one via iCloud backup and the other using a secret recovery phrase. With the iCloud backup, your wallet is securely stored in iCloud and can be restored using a passkey with Face ID or Touch ID. The secret phrase method reveals your 12-word recovery phrase, which you can use to restore your wallet at any time. It's highly recommended to use the secret phrase as your preferred backup method, as it provides full control and access to your wallet. To use this method, simply tap on it, check the confirmation box, and click View Secret Phrase to see your recovery words. Please be aware that this information is extremely sensitive. Anyone with access to your secret phrase can access your funds and take control of your wallet. Store it in a secure and private location, ensuring you can access it whenever needed. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Please give the video a like, consider subscribing.